Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to take profit on StarTrader. So first of all, we go to Start Trading right here, and then we have the chart. Then from here, what we're gonna do is we go here to buy, and we fill in here the volume that we want to buy. Now we can also drag this to do percentages. So let's say something around this as an example. And make sure that you have your correct trading account. I'm using this demo account, so I can't make any mistakes. But let's say we want to take a profit, so make sure that you tap on this one, and then from here we can fill in a take profit. Let's say we want something like this, and then from now we can do buy. Then he says this is the current price or volume, and then the margin, and then we click now on confirm, and now we bought something with a take profit. So this is how you can take profit on StarTrader. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.